Good morning! Today is my fourth day after my first chemotherapy, and I'm sharing my experience, which can be valuable to others going through similar treatments. So, Phesgo. This is Phesgo. Yeah, this is my first medicine. It's a combination of pertuzumab and trastuzumab. Phesgo is used to treat certain types of HER2-positive breast cancer. So, here's some information about it. What is Phesgo? Phesgo is a fixed-dose combination of two targeted therapies, so pertuzumab and trastuzumab, so I'm sorry if I couldn't pronounce it right, combined with hyaluronidase to help the medication be absorbed when given as an injection. It is typically alongside chemotherapy to treat HER2-positive breast cancer. So, how is it administered? Phesgo is injected under the skin, usually in the thigh. So, in my case, it was administered on my left thigh. So, it took me around 15 minutes for my first injection. So, I guess it would depend on your doctor. And it will be shorter the next time. So, it's usually given every 3 weeks. But, of course, your oncologist will determine your schedule. So why is Phesgo not painful? Because it's an enzyme. It has an enzyme that allows the medication to be absorbed more easily, so reducing the discomfort and this discomfort during the injection. So this also eliminates the need for intravenous administration, making it more convenient for many patients. So the common side effect of this is, while the injection itself isn't that painful, you may experience some side effect like fatigue, nausea, diarrhea, or pain, of course, on the injection site. So in my case, no, just a very little pain. So I'm sharing my journey as it helps normalize the experience and provide support for others. So more updates tomorrow, ladies. Thank you for watching. Bye.